Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making diner style roast beef sandwiches. Alright, I'm starting out here in a skillet and I have a half a stick of butter I melted down. And I'm going to add in a half a stick of flour, or half a cup of flour rather. We're going to make a roux to make our gravy. And I'm going to allow this to cook over medium heat for a minute to get the flour taste out of the roux. Alright, now that I allow my flour to cook for a minute to get the flour taste out of it, out of our roux, I'm going to add in 3 cups of beef broth, and it's a 4-cup container, so I'm just going to eyeball it. And let me get that foil liner open up a little better. Alright, that's about good. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit and bring this up to a gentle boil, and I'm going to stir it, break up that flour roux into the beef broth. We're making a gravy. Alright, now I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. About a half teaspoon. Not a whole lot because the beef broth has salt in it. And I'm going to add in about a teaspoon or so of Worcestershire sauce. Maybe a little more. Worcestershire sauce is good. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm just eyeballing this. And a teaspoon of granulated garlic, or garlic powder will work. You don't want to use garlic salt because you already have salt in there. Alright, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil and allow it to thicken up for a minute. Alright, now that my gravy's nice and thickened up and I have it turned down on warm, I have some deli-style thin sliced roast beef here. This is where we're getting easy, guys. You could also use jarred gravy if you want to go really easy and quick. I don't want the video too instant or throw together. I'm going to throw some roast beef down in here. This is going to warm the roast beef, and then we're going to serve this up. And I'm going to do like 6 slices per serving. Alright. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I served this over multi-grain bread, and I put a scoop of mashed potatoes on top and some green beans on the side, some parsley in that gravy. Let me get in here and try this. And I add a little bit of salt to my gravy as it was thickening. Roast beef is good. That gravy, man, that's good. Delicious. Try a little bit of bread and some mashed potatoes. Really delicious, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Diner style roast beef sandwiches. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.